In the heart of nature, survival skills come to life as individuals face real challenges and learn invaluable lessons. From identifying edible plants to mastering fire-starting techniques, immersive experiences teach resilience and adaptability. For instance, a group spent a weekend in the wilderness, using foraged materials to construct shelters and purify water. This hands-on training not only honed their practical skills but also fostered a deep connection with the environment. Each interaction with nature reinforced the importance of sustainable practices, underscoring that true survival relies on understanding and respecting the ecosystem around us.